Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today, we will be reacting to some more funny clips. See you there.
Oh, here we are.
Here's the video.
Hello, Doctor. Thank you for having me back.
You're welcome.
Well, I guess we should start watching some funny videos.
Yes, we should.
Hopefully lots of people get it in the nads.
Yeah.
I'm wicked.
Been waiting since last weekend.
Jerome, press play. Play. There you go. Thank you, Jerome. Oh, right in the head right away.
Oh no.
Ooh. I didn't care much for the man boobs.
Oh. Oh.
More man boobs. Oh, that wasn't very good.
Bro.
No.
Wait, no, don't use the brakes. Oh,
Who was that? That wasn't good either.
You shouldn't bike downstairs.
Lots of slipping. Where do people get these ideas from? Oh, that was
Belly
very
flop.
nice. Scooter, but ooh.
yeah.
Oh, you misjudged that. You're not Superman, sir.
What is this device?
It'll go some sort of torture chamber we might have down in the dungeon.
Yeah.
Looks like fun.
Oh,
that
my
was
jerk.
jerk. Ugh. Oh, well, he almost made it, I suppose. Lots of skateboard
There
accidents.
goes your board. Right into the river.
Ooh. Sort of gender reveal feel.
White Usain Bolt. Here he is seen jumping the
This guy.
Ganges Canal.
No,
Slip.
you're not
Oh,
gonna make it,
wow.
sir. That's raw sewage. Ah, take your work on vacation, eh? A real go-getter.
You idiot, you shouldn't do that. Oh, and he's sinking.
Yes, I don't think that's waterproof. Oh,
Belly
Debbie,
flop.
not a good idea. Oh, yes. Little deep for you, bub. Oh, another one that misjudged his jump. Ew.
Oh, the back. Oh,
Ew.
ow.
I was quite the equestrian when I was a young girl.
How deep was that?
I don't know, quite deep. You go, girl.
She's gonna
Power to the
fall.
ladies.
But she's gonna fall.
Oh,
I
yes.
was right.
She did go. Oh, climbing a tree for coconuts?
You're at the beach. Why are you climbing?
It's this guy got on one of those hoverboards.
Slip.
Smooth move, X-Lax.
Look at these hooligans. Oh, you should get that checked out.
Yes.
Hooligans.
You can make the jump, but the landings, that's where the real trouble is.
Yes.
Ugh.
Feeding the corn.
Oh, yes.
Right into the lamppost. Oh,
Doofus.
ow.
A real doofus.
Yeah.
Ooh, Mario Kart.
Real life Mario Kart.
Ooh. Sorry, Deb. Nice try.
Ha.
Surfing. Surf's up. Ooh, surf's down. Ooh, fat biking.
How does tire come off?
Ooh, parachute
He's
is...
got a fan on his back.
Ooh. Ooh. Not sure what happened there.
Slipped. A lot of slipping and a lot of skateboarding.
A bicycle built for two. Not quite. Oh, no.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
She hit the ground.
she hit the ground. I think the ground shook a bit too.
Up and over.
Oh dear. Nice way to show your lady a good time. Oh,
Вот так вот нужно прыгать.
oh, flying lady.
Does he have a gun?
It looks like a gun. Oh,
Right in the nads.
oh. Ouch.
Where he just stays down.
Two guys walk into a bar, one ducked while the other one got it in the nads.
Looks like he kicked the bucket.
I'd say so.
Got it?
Oh, yes, very good. Very droll. Oh, puppy. help your friend. Well, that was just great. I think that's all of them. Well, thanks again, Dr. Blopto, for another fun time. And we'll do it again sometime. Not today. I've got to go to the bathroom. Bye!
Bye. Now those were some good clips. And remember to like and subscribe to never miss another video. Bye!